Hey there, future e-commerce moguls. Welcome back to the Money Making Pals channel, where we break down everything you need to know about online businesses, entrepreneurship, and financial freedom. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button because today we're diving into one of the most exciting and accessible ways to start an online business: Shopify dropshipping. Dropshipping is one of the most popular ways to get into e-commerce because it's low risk, doesn't require a ton of upfront capital, and you don't have to deal with inventory. But getting started can be a bit overwhelming, right? That's why in today's video, I'm going to walk you through a complete step-by-step tutorial on how to start your very own Shopify dropshipping store. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to launch your store, find winning products, and start making sales. So grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's get started. All right, let's kick things off with the very first step: understanding what dropshipping is and how it works. Before we jump into the nuts and bolts, let's make sure that we're all on the same page about what dropshipping actually is. In a nutshell, dropshipping is a business model where you, the seller, don't keep any inventory. Instead, when a customer places an order on your Shopify store, you purchase the item from a third-party supplier who then ships it directly to the customer. You're essentially the middleman or middlewoman between the customer and the supplier. This means that you don't have to worry about buying products in bulk, storing them, or handling shipping and fulfillment. Your job is to run the store, market your products, and handle customer service. The beauty of dropshipping is that you can start with very little upfront investment, and you're only paying for the product once you've actually made a sale. So what's the catch? Well, because you don't handle the products yourself, you have less control over things like shipping times and product quality. But don't worry, we'll talk about how to navigate these challenges later on. For now, just remember, dropshipping is all about leveraging the power of e-commerce without the hassle of inventory management. Now that we understand the basics, let's move on to the first actionable step: setting up your Shopify store. All right, let's get our hands dirty and set up your Shopify store. If you don't already have a Shopify account, head over to shopify.com and sign up for their free trial. This gives you 14 days to explore the platform and start building your store without any commitment. Once you've signed up, you'll be prompted to enter your store name. Choose something unique and memorable, but don't stress too much. You can always change it later. Next, you'll be asked a few questions about your business experience and goals. Answer these as accurately as possible to get tailored tips from Shopify. Now welcome to your Shopify dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. From here, you'll be able to manage your products, orders, customers, and marketing efforts. But before we dive into those features, let's take care of some basic settings. First, click on Settings at the bottom left of your dashboard. Here, you'll want to set up your store's general information like address, contact details, and time zone. You'll also need to configure your payment settings so customers can actually pay you when they place an order. Shopify supports a variety of payment gateways, but the easiest option is to enable Shopify Payments, which allows you to accept credit cards directly through your store. Make sure you also enable PayPal, as it's one of the most popular payment methods worldwide. The more payment options you offer, the easier it's for customers to buy from you. With your store's basics in place, it's time for the fun part: choosing your niche. One of the most critical decisions you'll make in your dropshipping journey is choosing the right niche. Your niche is the specific market or category of products that you'll focus on in your store. The right niche can set you up for success, while the wrong one can make things a lot more challenging. When choosing a niche, consider 3 key factors: your interests, market demand, and competition. Ideally, you want to pick a niche that you're passionate about, because running an online store takes time and energy, and it's easier to stay motivated if you're genuinely interested in what you're selling. But passion isn't enough. You also need to ensure there's a demand for the products in your niche. Use tools like Google Trends, Keyword Everywhere, and the Shopify Product Trends page to research what people are searching for. For example, if you're interested in fitness, you might discover that there's a growing trend for at-home workout equipment, which could be a lucrative niche to enter. Finally, consider the level of competition. Some niches are saturated, meaning there are already tons of stores selling similar products. While competition isn't necessarily a bad thing, it can indicate a healthy market, you'll want to find a way to differentiate your store, whether it's through unique products, branding, or a specific target audience. Remember, there's no perfect niche, but by combining your interests with market research, you can find a niche that's profitable and enjoyable to work in. Now that we've got a niche, it's time to find the products we'll sell. Let's move on to finding winning products for your store. Finding the right products to sell is crucial for your dropshipping success. You want products that are in demand, have a decent profit margin, and aren't easily available in local stores. So where do you find these winning products? There's a few methods. First, let's talk about product research tools. Websites like Oberlo, Spocket, and AliExpress are fantastic for finding products that are popular in dropshipping communities. Oberlo, in particular, is integrated with Shopify, making it super easy to add products to your store with just a few clicks. Here's how it works. On Oberlo, you can search for products by category, popularity, and even shipping method. When you find a product that you like, check its supplier ratings, reviews, and order volume to see its reliability and demand. You can also use Oberlo's verified suppliers filter to ensure that you're working with top-notch suppliers. Another option is to use Spocket, which focuses on suppliers based in the US and Europe, offering faster shipping times and potentially higher quality products. Spocket is great if you're targeting customers in these regions and want to offer quick delivery. Once you've found some products that fit your niche, it's time to add them to your store. But before you do, make sure to calculate your potential profit margins. You'll want to price your products competitively while ensuring there's enough room to cover your costs and make a profit. With your products in place, let's move on to the next step: designing your Shopify store. Now it's time to make your store look professional and appealing to your customers. Shopify makes these easy with a variety of themes to choose from. Head over to the themes section in your dashboard and browse the free and paid options available. For beginners, I recommend starting with a free theme like Debut or Brooklyn, which are clean, simple, and easy to customize. Once you've chosen a theme, it's time to customize it. Click on Customize to enter the theme editor, where you can adjust everything from your store's layouts to its colors and fonts. The goal here is to create a user-friendly experience that reflects your brand. Keep it simple. A clean, organized store is always more inviting than a cluttered one. Don't forget to add your logo, which you can create using tools like Canva or hire a designer from Fiverr if you want something more professional. Your logo is an important part of your branding, so make sure it's something that resonates with your niche and target audience. Your homepage is the first thing visitors see, so make it count. Feature your best-selling products, highlight any ongoing promotions, and use high-quality images to grab attention. Remember, the first impressions matter. If your store looks good, customers are more likely to stick around and make a purchase. Your store's design is coming together. But what about the practical side of things? Next, let's talk about setting up essential pages and policies. A professional-looking store isn't just about aesthetics. It also needs to have the right information in place to build trust with your customers. This means setting up essential pages like About Us, Contact Us, and privacy policy pages. Your About Us page is where you tell your brand's story. Why did you start this store? What makes your products unique? This is your chance to connect with your audience on a personal level. Keep it honest and authentic. Next, you'll need a Contact Us page. This should include your email address, a contact form, and possibly even a phone number if you're comfortable with that. The easier it is for customers to reach you, the more trustworthy your store will appear. And don't forget the legal stuff. Shopify provides templates for your privacy policy, terms of service, and refund policy. These pages are crucial for protecting your business and setting clear expectations with your customers. Make sure to customize these templates to reflect your specific store policies. Once these pages are set up, your store will not only look professional, but it will also be legally compliant and ready for customers. Your store is almost ready to launch, but there's one more crucial element we need to cover: marketing your Shopify store. Now that your store is set up, it's time to drive traffic and start making sales. Marketing is where you'll need to focus a lot of your energy because without customers, even the best designed stores won't make any money. So how do you get customers for your store? First up, social media. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok are powerful tools for promoting your products and building your brand. Start by creating business accounts on these platforms and posting regularly. Showcase your products in creative ways, engage with your followers, and use hashtags to reach a broader audience. Influencer marketing is another effective strategy. Partner with influencers in your niche who have a following that matches your target audience. They can promote your products through posts, stories, or even unboxing videos. This can be a great way to gain credibility and reach potential customers quickly. And of course, there's paid advertising. Facebook and Instagram ads allow you to target specific demographics, interests, and behaviors, making it easier to reach your ideal customers. Start with a small budget and test different ad creatives and audiences to see what works best. Once you find a winning combination, scale up your ad spend to drive more traffic to your store. Don't forget about email marketing either. Building an email list allows you to nurture relationships with customers and keep them coming back to your store. Offer a discount or freebie in exchange for signing up to your newsletter, and then send regular updates, product launches, and promotions. With your marketing plan in place, you're ready to launch your store. But before we wrap up, let's talk about managing your Shopify store for long-term success. Launching your store is just the beginning. You need to manage it effectively to ensure long-term success. This means staying on top of your orders, managing customer inquiries, and continuously optimizing your store based on performance data. Great customer service is key to running a successful dropshipping store. Respond to customer questions promptly, resolve issues professionally, and go the extra mile to ensure customer satisfaction. Happy customers are more likely to leave positive reviews and recommend your store to others. Use Shopify's built-in analytics to track your store's performance. Pay attention to metrics like traffic, conversion rates, and average order value. These insights will help you understand what's working and where you need to make improvements. Finally, always be on the lookout for new products to add to your store. Trend changes and adding fresh products can help keep your store relevant and exciting for returning customers. Regularly update your marketing strategies, test new ad campaigns, and tweak your website to improve the shopping experience. And there you have it, a complete Shopify dropshipping tutorial for beginners. We've covered everything from setting up your store and finding products to marketing your business and managing it for the long-term success. Dropshipping is an incredible opportunity to start an online business with minimal risk and upfront investment. But remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes dedication, continuous learning, and a willingness to adapt. If you're ready to put in the work, there's no limit to what you can achieve. So what are you waiting for? Start building your Shopify store today and take that first step towards creating your own e-commerce empire. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more e-commerce tips, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy dropshipping!